How to export inventory to CSV file from Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you step by step how to do so. It is very simple and easy to do, so let's just go in and show you exactly what you need to do. First, log into your Shopify admin, click on the products section. You don't want to do anything in here because you do have an export button, but this is going to export the products themselves, not the inventory. So instead, like I said, click on the products section and select inventory. In here, you're just going to be able to find all the different inventories for your items and all the different information here that is available basically. And you are just going to find the products, and you can feel free to select the ones that you want to export, or you can just go in and leave them all empty if you just want to export all of them. Either way, they're just going to give you the option for them. But if you want specific ones, you can just go in and highlight them now. And once you highlight the products that you want, or not highlight anything at all, you can just go in and click on export from the top right corner. And now you're just going to have a few things to select. First, you just want to see the states of the inventory, whether it's going to be all states or only available items. So this is going to be up to you. I'm just going to leave it as all states. And export, I'm just going to select the 3 variants that we have selected, but you can just go and select all variants if you want the inventories for all products. Next up, you're just going to select export as and make it CSV for Excel numbers or other spreadsheet programs, and simply click on export variants. Now this is going to basically be emailed to your obviously email, and from there you're just going to be able to download the exported items. So it's going to look something like this. You just want to click on that and download the CSV file, and you're pretty much good to go. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.